Welcome to Product Critique, where we review and analyze the latest tech products on the market. In today's episode, we'll be taking a closer look at the GEODMAER 65% wireless gaming keyboard. This compact keyboard promises to deliver a great gaming experience with its unique features and design. Let's dive right into it. The GEODMAER 65% wireless gaming keyboard is a compact and ultra-portable keyboard designed for gamers. It features a 65% compact design, which means it's smaller than a standard keyboard, making it ideal for both gaming and office work. Available in a stylish RGB backlit gray-black-red color scheme, this keyboard catches the eye. It's compatible with various devices, including laptops, PCs, and gaming consoles like PS5, PS4, Xbox One. The keyboard's 65% compact design saves space on your desk and is easy to carry in a backpack. The absence of a numpad and separate arrow keys enhances portability. It uses mature 2.4G wireless connection technology, providing a 10-meter effective connection distance. Experience ultra-low latency and excellent connection stability for responsive gaming. The keyboard is equipped with a 2000 mAh battery, offering 500 hours of non-stop use time without backlight and 50 hours with maximum brightness backlight. An auto sleep function helps conserve battery life, and it can be used while charging via Type-C cable. Enjoy 14 backlit modes, including single colors, RGB colors, and backlit effects. 2 color injection molding keycaps make characters transparent luminous, ensuring visibility in the dark. Use FN key combinations to control backlight modes, brightness, and breathing frequency. The keyboard's ergonomically designed keycap height ensures comfort during extended gaming sessions. It provides a mechanical feel without the high price, and it's quiet for a membrane gaming keyboard. GEODMAER offers a 3-year after-sales service, ensuring customer satisfaction and support for any quality issues. In summary, the GEODMAER 65% wireless gaming keyboard is a versatile and stylish option for gamers and professionals alike. Its compact design, responsive wireless connectivity, and long-lasting battery life make it a competitive choice in its price range. If you're in the market for a portable gaming keyboard with a unique design, this could be the right fit for you. That wraps up our review of the GEODMAER 65% wireless gaming keyboard on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next episode.